Here in the given question we have to solve this equation and then find the value of x from this exponential equation. Let us now solve this equation. First we will multiply this 3 within the bracket with first term and then second term, so that we can write down 3 times 2 raised to the power x plus 3 minus, we will write down this whole as 2 raised to the power x times 2 raised to the power 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. This comes from the fact that a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n, and the bases are same and we multiply, then we can add the powers. Now further simplify this equation. So we have 3 raised to the power n times 2 raised to the power x plus 3 minus 2 raised to the power x times 4 plus 5 is equal to 0, which implies that we will now first take these two terms. So we can take 2 raised to the power x as common and 3 minus 4 is within the bracket. Now let's get these two constant terms and add them, so we will now have plus 8 is equals to 0. This implies that minus 2 raised to the power x plus 8 is equals to 0, which implies that 2 raised to the power x is 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Now since the bases are same, the powers must be equal, so we can write down that x must be equals to 3, and that is the answer of the equation here.